to Cajun Curls. It's Sky here. Today, as you can see by the title, I'm doing a makeup tutorial with a glossy lid. Stay tuned and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, now I'm going in and moisturizing my lip with some lip balm. Then I am taking my Milan Make It Last setting spray, and I do use a primer, but I only have a few drops left. I use the Smashbox Pro Finish Primerizer. Then I go in with my Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Hydrating Longwear Foundation, and I take a simple foundation brush, and on the back of my hand I put the foundation and I pat it into my skin. Then I take my damp beauty blender and I pat the foundation that I already have on my face into my skin so I can create an airbrush effect. I don't know if I mentioned this when I was talking about the foundation, but my shade is 390. Then I take my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn and I highlight under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, on my cupid's bow, and on my chin. And I use this small concealer brush, the same one I use for my eyebrows, just to have a precise look. I highly recommend this LA Girl Pro Concealer. It is very affordable. It can be found at your local beauty supply store. And all you have to do is get a couple shades up from your regular skin tone. And it's about $3.99 at the store. It gives great coverage. It's honestly my holy grail. So now I'm taking that same beauty blender that I used to blend my foundation and I'm patting the concealer into my skin. I like to use the same beauty blender because it leaves a little bit of the foundation on the blender, so it makes my skin look very flawless and it doesn't make me look too light. Now I am taking that same brush I used for my foundation in the very beginning and I'm just going over my concealer to make sure it just has a seamless effect. Personally, I am not a big fan of contouring. I believe contouring makes my face look a little too sharp. I do it on very special occasions, but I am not doing it in this tutorial. Now I am taking a small eyeshadow brush and a cocoa butter lip gloss and I'm just going to apply it to my eye as if I was applying an eyeshadow base. makeup look is very simple, and I love to do the glossy lid because it kind of has an edge to it, but it's simple and it's very easy, and it doesn't require a lot of work, as you all can see. See how simple that was? Now I am going to apply my eyelashes off camera. Now I am taking a brown lip liner and I'm just going to line my lips. Now I am going to take a small brush and my amazing highlighter, my Maybelline New York Master Chrome by Face Studio Metallic Highlighter Illuminator. And I'm just taking a small brush and I'm working this into my brow bone. Now, since I'm not going anywhere, I did not apply any setting powder, but I do use the Maybelline New York Fit Me loose finishing powder in the shade medium. Now when it comes to the lips, I like to keep it simple by wearing some everyday lip gloss. This is just regular lip gloss and the flavor bubblegum, and I'm just applying this to my lips. Okay loves, that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my glossy lid makeup tutorial. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, and subscribe to my channel, and see you all in the next video.